Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MTSL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support and resistance going into tomorrow. After today's price move, there's really kind of two key levels that stand out from a support and resistance standpoint. So the first level we'll just talk about is support, and like I said, the price was all over the place, but one of the kind of common threads, not exact, but just in an overall sense, is $1.80. You can see that on several occasions, the price did get around $1.80. Sure, the price did technically drop down below there, but you can see right there, the price didn't quite drop down that low, and right there, the price actually bounced directly off it. So like I said, just kind of trying to find a middle ground. $1.80 definitely seems to be that middle ground for where the buyers are hanging out at. So $1.80, definitely a level that a lot of people will be watching tomorrow. I don't want to come across like this is all some sort of great discovery on my part. No, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is going to be watching and has taken notice of these same levels. Now on the flip side of things, what about levels of resistance? Where is kind of a common thread, common theme in terms of where there's a lot of sellers that keep showing up? And on that perspective, that is right up here at $2.80. Same thing as that level of support. Is it exact? Actually, in this case, yeah, pretty close. I mean, you can see on 3 different situations, the price got right up around $2.80 and could not push through it. Now, in the event the price can push through $2.80, which looks like could be possible because the last 30 minutes, you can see the price close just slightly below it. So I do want to talk about that next level of resistance. So in the event, like I said, the price can push through $2.80, the next key battleground to keep an eye on is going to be where the party stopped earlier on in the day, and that's right up there around $3.25. So one step at a time. That first step is, ultimately needing to get back above $2.75, but the next one after that up there at $3.25. So keep an eye on these levels there, and we'll see what happens with it. But a lot of eyeballs will be on this one tomorrow, myself included. So we'll see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.